is this? I wonder if I can see myself in here. We're gonna camp in the rain. Which doesn't sound ideal, but I think it'll be kind of fun. I think it'll make it a little bit of a challenge. Taylor's out there looking to see if we can tie up a tarp. She's worried about the dead trees. This is so silly. There's 5 dead trees. 5! 5 dead trees, I see. We just chose our campsite. We are campsite number 9. We're gonna try to set up a canopy with a tarp up here to keep us dry so that we can make food and have a fire and stuff. The rain's ruining our fun. Hannah's rolling in.
Oh, you weren't there. I don't think they dark.
The mattress. Where's the footage? We just set up our tent. She's the Blair Witch Project, except it's us camping.
No, don't mention that.
Set up our tent. It's an 8-man tent for 3 people. We're gonna be living in the lap of luxury. Putting in some mats for us to sleep on. And then we have this tarp over our fire pit and our little picnic table. We have a camp stove and we're also gonna use a Dutch oven over the fire.
Yeah. See, that's the thing. I really like the long hair litters.
Not really.
At 1.
Their little tails. Oh my god. Are John and Jacob good at it? I don't understand how to like take a step.
Putting on the feta cheese too.
Yeah, a little sprinkling.
That would be so scary though. The girl inherited from my father.
I guess it's okay since it's Uncle Ben.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
A mosquito bit my foot while I was out. Oh my gosh. Time for that.
No, that's fine. I was getting this for like a hot meal. So
What time is your break?
7. That's my 30-minute.
And you get off at 10?
Like.
And I finally smacked him on the head. You killed him? You killed him. I was wondering why he stopped bothering me. Yeah, I think I had
Funny cat. What is he dropping her? For
Okay.
you. I'm gonna do my toast after.
Calf, Milky Way, always enjoy.